heavy ass batteries. Golly. No handle. Hopefully they accept core batteries. I have no receipt, no nothing, so we'll see. We'll see what they say. Let's do that. Good, how you doing, man? You need it?
Yeah.
Go ahead, man. You can put it.
Oh, I don't really, because I think something wrong with it. I don't know.
Oh, I don't work here.
Oh, you don't work here?
No, I don't work here. No, I'm just a customer. I was just trying to help you out, yeah. He really thought I was a customer. I mean, an employee. That's funny. Shit. All right. I managed to get 2 batteries in and all the oil in the container. So they only accept 2. So what they did was they gave me a $20 gift card or merchandise credit, whatever you want to call it. So $10 each, so not bad. Can't complain. I know. Maybe the synchros or transmission itself, I don't even know. Thank you. We at AutoZone. In the zone. Get in the zone. Golly. Let me get a cart. Make my life easier. They got a cart? They better have a cart.
Hey, what time do you come?
I'll just bring it in. Be a man. Carry the batteries. No cart. I feel strong. Woo.
If this doesn't work, then
How you doing, man? Yeah, so I have these two core batteries. I was thinking if I could like return them here. I don't have no receipt or nothing. Yeah, well, not return. These are just like, yeah. No. You want to bring it over there? All right, cool.
It's gonna go on a gift card.
All right, that's cool. How much you do for each battery?
$10.
10 bucks? All right, that's cool.
No, that's 6. So I have. So they didn't use your password then. Shit. No. I need $20, bro.
All right, cool. Thank you, man.
You're welcome. Have a nice.
Thank you. You too. Cool. Another $20. Ooh, she looking good. She a bit dirty though. This leak right here. So the exhaust cam cap is leaking. I have to replace that right there. Oh. Let's go back home. Ooh. Oh, I'm struggling. Oh, turned off on me. Come on. Hey. Granny shift. Unnecessary